Welcome to Alpha Beta Gamma Creations. Today we are going to see linear programming problem for minimization problem. So previous part I put maximization problem. Now we are going to see minimization problem. So what is given here? A patient consult a doctor to check up his ill health. Doctor examine him and advise him that he is having deficiency of two vitamins, vitamin A and vitamin D. Doctor advise him to consume vitamin A and D regularly for a period of time so that he can regain his health. Prescribes tonic X and tonic Y, which are having vitamin A and vitamin D in certain proportion. Also advise the patient to consume at least 40 units of vitamin A and 50 units of vitamin D. Vitamin D daily. The cost of tonic X and Y and proportionally of vitamin A and D that present in X and Y are given in the below table. Okay, so vitamins are given A and D, tonic X and Y, and daily requirement 40 units of vitamin A and 50 units for vitamin D. And what are they given? Vitamin A X tonic 2 and Y tonic 4. Similarly vitamin D X tonic for 3 times and Y tonic for 2 times. So cost per unit, what is given? Cost of tonic X is 5 and the cost of tonic is 3. So how to identify the given problem is minimization problem. How to identify? At least, see here, at least. So the proportion, also advise the patient to consume at least 40 units of vitamin A and 50 units of vitamin D daily. ஸோ ரெகுலராக அவன் ஒரு நாளைக்கு 40 யூனிட்ஸ் ஆஃப் விட்டமின் ஏ எடுத்துக்கணும். அதே போல் 50 யூனிட்ஸ் ஆஃப் விட்டமின் டி ரெகுலராக எடுத்துருக்கணும். அட்லீஸ்ட் அவன் கொடுத்துருக்குறான். ஸோ அட்லீஸ்ட் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. ஸோ காஸ்ட் அது அட்லீஸ்ட் இப்போ காசு ரிலேட் பற்றி நம்ம சொல்லிகிட்ருக்குறோம். ஸோ அதனால் அது கிவன் ப்ராப்ளம் மினிமைசேஷன் ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் நம்ம என்ன ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு வாட் ஆர் த டிசிஷன்ஸ் வேரியபிள்ஸ் ஆர் கிவன், என்னென்ன டிசிஷன் வேரியபிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டெப் 1 வி ஹாவ் டு ஐடென்டிஃபை த decision variable. Here two decision variables are given, x and y. Okay, so let x and y be the decision variables of the given problem. Okay, step 1 over. So next for step 2, what is formulate the objective function. Here the objective function is minimization. So the objective function is minimization is z. Therefore the objective function of the given problem is minimize z equal to, what is the cost here? cost per unit is given 5 and 3. So x 5 into x plus 3 into y. This is the objective function of given problem. Minimum z is equal to. So next, formulate the constraints. Subject to the constraint we have to find out. Here two constraints is there. Constraint for vitamin A and vitamin D. Okay, now find out the constraints. Constraints for vitamin A. So what's the constraint for vitamin A? Listen here. X tannic for 2 units and Y tannic for units. So he'll at least for 4 units of vitamin A given. So form the constraint here. Vitamin A is 2x plus 4y, which is greater than or equal to 40. So we are putting here greater than or at least 40. So that is we are put greater than or equal to 40. So next, constraint for vitamin D is what is given. So 3x and 2y. So daily requirement is 50 units. So how to frame the constraint? 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y, which is greater than or equal to 50. Okay, constraints is over. Next, add the non-negative constraints. Add the non-negative constraints. Okay, here what are the constraints? Here decision variable x and y. So non-negative constraints x comma y are greater than or equal to 0. Okay, then frame the final LPP is of given problem. Therefore, the linear programming problem LPP is minimize z equal to 5x plus 3y and subject to the constraint 2x plus 4y, which is greater than or equal to 40, and second constraint 3x plus 4y, which is greater than or equal to 50, and non-negative constraint x comma y, which is greater than or equal to 0. These are the solution for given linear programming problem. This is a minimization problem. So if you have any doubt, please comment the comment box. Thank you very much.